Hi, it's Mandy with Crafty Glam. In this video, I'm going to be using the super cute Shut the Front Door transfer. I love it. There are 4 different projects you can make with them, actually tons of projects because the transfers are reusable, but I'm going to go ahead and make 4 with all of the pieces. So right now I'm just prepping my transfers. I've got them fuzzed and placed down on my surface. I'm going to start by chalking this box frame here, and I'm using white chalk paste. So this one here says, please hide packages from husband. Isn't that cute? There's so many different things you could do with that. Put it on a little wreath at your front door, set it on a little side table. Love it. And this one says, come on in, I'm still not ready. Can we all relate to that? And this one says, it's too peoply outside. So cute. I love this black on this white boredom base. It is so cute. And I'm going with black on this one too. It says, shut the front door. No, really, shut the front door. You're letting the bugs in. I love it. And let's finish chalking this one up, making sure to cover all the silkscreen areas, peel it up, and voila, aren't they cute? They all came together so quickly. And here's the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.